to Soap Opera Crafts. My name is Lorraine. I hope you enjoy this flip through of my beautiful birds journal. I have used two main kits. One is called Winter Birds from Sweet Vintage Prints, and the other is Bluebirds from Create with Scrimpingmommy. I have also used some beautiful images from the Graphics Fairy. This first image is from the Graphics Fairy, and these here, these are from Sweet Vintage Prints. Put a number of charms on here, and lace. And this is the back with a lovely pocket. So let's just have a good look. We've put some little, well, it's a waterfall. They're blank, you can write and also put a photo on any of these. Lots of space to write if you want to. Fussy cut some birds from old books. And there's the first charm. You can pull this out and write. This backing paper was from Bookshelf by Julie. It's one of my favourites to use as a backing paper. Oh, this is from Artymaze. Space to write. These sentiments are also from Artymaze, and I'll put a link in the comment below. It's from the Graphics Fairy. Another place to write. Lots of places to write. Those were from Artymaze. That's from the Graphics Fairy, if I didn't say. Another cute charm. Little owl. Use a little bit from a book page. It's lovely and sturdy, that. Another place to write. some nice stamping there. Little bit of pink slipped in. This is some of Scrimpingmommy's digital. I can't remember where I got that from. If I remember, I'll put it down below. My heart is like a singing bird, and I've put it upside down. Well, no one's perfect. This is from Bookshelf by Julie, but this side is from Scrimpingmommy. Used a ribbon through to sew the signatures right through there. I like how it looks. And I love finishing the ends like so. That's from the Graphics Fairy. Side is from Scrimpingmommy. That's from Scrimpingmommy. But that image is from the Graphics Fairy. And place to work. Cute little owl. a bit of stamping there, didn't we? Well, a little twitcher would definitely need a camera. I do hope you like this journal. It's my favourite colour, blue. I think the paper's gorgeous. From everyone. Sweet vintage prints and Scrimpingmommy. And the Ephemera from Artymaze, and the Graphics Fairy. Thank you so much for watching.